some more here. I got one.
All right. Ooh, is that a nice one?
Bigger than that other one.
Woo! I can't even fight. Man, that's another one. That's number 9, isn't it?
Yeah.
Good Lord.
It's a pretty good chunk.
Yeah, those are smaller than we normally catch, but by God, they're fun to catch, aren't they? But what turn catch another one?
Oh,
We'll have to come back around and throw that.
Have to do that again.
Golly, I missed one. Now he's on number 11. Is that a nicer one? Same thing. That's the same damn fish. You're just catching the same fish over and over.
Fish.
That is a nice one there. Yeah, that's a nice one. Now that one looks like she laid her eggs, doesn't it? But her tail's not fanned down or anything. Now what are you going to do? Using a crankbait? I think you might at the end of your line there, Captain. We need something crawdad color, don't we, on? Here it is. We got a big one. John just caught it right here next to the big old bluff with the crawdad crankbait.
Lipped him behind the foul, hooked him barely. Look at
Really?
that.
Well, it probably came out of his mouth though.
Barely got him. Look at the deal.
Damn. That's about a 6-pounder.
As big as
Look at that real light green. Turn it around. Look at that green spot. And on the other side, right behind the gill, up on its back. See that?
Yeah.
Coot's laughing at you. Whoa. About to come up. Yeah, he's 5-pounder. At least. I can't bend over as far as you can. Damn, John. He's a good fish. We just caught 2 fish weighing 5-6 pounds, back to back, right in this little hole. This is a different day than the tape yesterday. Way to go, Marcus. Nice fish. Mexican fish. Close to having it in its gill. Don't move. Dr. Kildare. There you go. That's not as big as yours, is it? Hang on a second. Good catch, John. Those are awesome. Mutt and Jeff. Well, no, they look like brothers. Sisters, I mean.
This is a few of the small fish we catch down here in Mexico. Like twins, don't they?
God, you don't catch very many 7.5 pounders. One's 7.2 and one's 7.8. How big are they?
7.2, 7.8.
John caught just a little nice stringer of fish here. How many did you catch, John?
I think I caught one of them.
Kneel down instead of picking them up. Yeah.
Go down to the end.
Go down and watch.
Go down, here.
Hey! 1, 2, 3, go! Hurry up!
Woo!
God damn now!
Son of a gun.